3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41到62公里。喺晚上11點，熱帶風暴蝴蝶集結喺香港以西大約360公里，即係北緯22.6度、東經110.7度附近。預料向東北移動，時速大約28公里，橫過廣東同廣西交界一帶。與蝴蝶相關嘅強風區正逐漸影響珠江口一帶。現時本港多處吹強風，西部高地間中吹烈風，而蝴蝶嘅外圍雨帶亦都正為廣東沿岸帶嚟狂風驟雨。預料蝴蝶會喺星期日朝早喺本港西北大約300公里左右掠過。3號強風信號會至少維持至星期日中午，除非蝴蝶喺廣東內陸維持較高強度，並採取較為接近珠江口嘅路徑，否則改發8號信號嘅機會甚低。按照現時預測，隨住蝴蝶逐漸遠離同減弱，本港星期日下晝嘅風力會逐步緩和。雖然星期一同星期二蝴蝶已經逐漸消散，但活躍西南氣流會為廣東沿岸帶嚟大驟雨，市民請保持警惕。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，昂坪、青洲同橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時62、50同43公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時111、61同49公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 11 p.m., tropical storm Wu-Tip was estimated to be about 360 kilometers west of Hong Kong, which is near 22.6 degrees north, 110.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move northeast at about 28 kilometers per hour, across the vicinity of the boundary of Guangdong and Guangxi. Strong winds associated with Wu-Tip are affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary gradually. Locally, strong winds are prevailing over many places, occasionally reaching gale force on high ground in the western part of the territory. The outer rain bands of Wu-Tip are also bringing squally showers to the coast of Guangdong. Wu-Tip is expected to skirt around 300 kilometers to the northwest of Hong Kong on Sunday morning. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until noon on Sunday. Unless Wu-Tip maintains a higher intensity over inland areas of Guangdong, and adopts a track closer to the Pearl River estuary, the chance of issuing the signal number 8 is rather low. According to the present forecast, with Wu-Tip moving away from Hong Kong, and weakening gradually, local winds will moderate progressively on Sunday afternoon. Although Wu-Tip will dissipate gradually, on Monday and Tuesday, an active southwesterly airstream will bring heavy showers to the coast of Guangdong. Members of the public should stay on the alert. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nongping, Green Island, and Waglan Island were 62, 50, and 43 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 111, 61, and 49 kilometers per hour respectively.